my god, I just broke the fucking mirror. Hey guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried hair. The night before, I pre-pooed my hair with Jamaican black castor oil and I left it in all night long. And honey, my hair has shine, luster, and liveliness. For this tutorial, I sectioned my hair into 5 parts. 3 sections in the front, 2 sections in the back. Products I'm using today are the Camille Rose Twisting Butter, Nairobi Mousse, and the Design Essentials Protein Styling Gel. I use my fingers to separate the hair whenever I don't want to see the parts. First of all, I'm rubbing in the Camille Rose Almond Butter. Then I'm taking 2 pumps of the Nairobi Mousse and brushing that through with a Denman brush. I'm bending my Flexi rod in half because today we're doing the horseshoe method. I first found out about the horseshoe method from another YouTuber called Curl Days, and I am so in love with this method. It just allows you to utilize the Flexi rod better. Like, instead of using half the Flexi rod, you're using the whole thing. Also won't be needing like a million Flexi rods in your head, because let's face it ladies, ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time to be sleeping in 60 Flexi rods. That is so uncomfortable. As I get towards the end, I add just a little bit of gel. What this is gonna do is make sure that my ends are smooth. I used 7 Flexi rods in the back alone. Personally, I'm not gonna sleep in this, but for those of you that do sleep in your Flexi rods, this will make a big difference in how comfortable you sleep. I do 2 Flexi rods in the front and I make sure that I roll it towards my face because I like that cute little side bang. Sitting under a hooded dryer for about 2 to 3 hours will ensure that your hair dries completely. And the reason you want it to dry completely is so that when you take it out, your hair won't be frizzy and look a hot mess. I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil to take it down, but you can use whatever oil you'd like. Roll the rods in an upward motion and it should come out very easily. For each section, as I take it down, I'm rolling my fingers in the same direction of the curl, and I'm separating them into about 5 to 10 sections. So right here it shows me picking out my hair, but I decided I didn't like that look, so I just went ahead, took the blow dryer and straightened out my roots a little bit.